So what if you need to grill on the go? I'm Callie with Napoleon, and today I want to introduce you to our super portable TravelQ on Scissor Cart. Now the TravelQ line includes a number of both tabletop and cart mounted models. This one is cart mounted, and I want to particularly show you just how easy it is to take this thing and go. But just know that every one of our TravelQ models is built with superior wind resistance, heat retention. It's got great performance just like our full-size grills do, but you can take them wherever. So let's get started. So the first thing I want you to know about our Scissor Cart models is the grill does not come off the cart. And that is to help keep it secure so that you can just take it and go really easily. Might be a little hard to see, but there's a latch over here that I just pull out, and I've got my foot braced against the bottom of the unit. I'm gonna slightly lift it up, and here we go. And we are off and moving. That's all there is to it. And similarly, super easy setup. So just a couple other things that I want to point out on this model. Nice side shelves for holding your food or your utensils, whatever it might be. They have integrated towel racks on either side. And one really nice thing for portability is the fact that the lid has a clip close. So that helps make sure that when you tip this thing whichever direction, everything is staying compact. It's not going flying all over the place. We've got an Accu-probe thermometer on the top, same as our full-size gas grills. 2 independently controlled burners. This hooks up to a 1-pound propane tank, by the way. And our classic wavy cooking grids. These are made out of cast iron to help transfer the heat and hold up just as well as everything else that Napoleon makes. So you can count on quality in this thing, same as you do the rest of our products. So next time you need to grill on the go, whether it's tailgating or camping, think Napoleon TravelQ. Upgrade your grilling game.